little dressy. Okay, so this video is about the card that I made for my friend's birthday. Cena, that's her nickname. I call her Cena, but her name is Serena. So it says, "Happy birthday, Cena." Here's some just pictures. Smiley faces everywhere. She loves these little blue and yellow characters called Pon and Zai. And then it says, "Oh my golly, you're a teenie. And it'll be a while till I'm a teenie. Poor you, poor you, JK. But don't bother telling me about your changes, because then I will be grossed out. But anyway, have an auspicious birthday." And then on the back, it says, "Made especially for you by Meismeesa." And then this is a weird baby thing. I don't know why I put that, but it's really funny. And then, guys, don't take offense to this, but my friend's kind of like a feminist person. She cares about female rights and stuff, but that doesn't really make sense to this. It's kind of a joke about being mean to guys. About guys being mean to girls. So, guys, if you're watching this, take no offense to it. Not my fault. It's my friend's fault. Blame her, not me. She's the one that likes this stuff. It says, "Guys, if you disrespect a female in any way, you're not considered a man. You are considered a little boy." True. Okay. And here's some more Pon and Zai. She's like addicted to Pon and Zai. I don't know why. She's like a Pon and Zai addict. Look at all this Pon and Zai. So awesome. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Woo! Okay. But, yeah, that's what I made her for her birthday. And then, it's a dress. Hey, baby, wanna go? Let's go! Solo!